How are you doing, guys? We have another fantastic day here in Bangkok, Thailand today, as we are officially announcing a collaboration between three parties, being the amazing, luxurious, beautiful Shangri-La Bangkok Hotel, the Diversey, and Corsair. As a part of this collaboration, the plastic waste generated here in the Shangri-La Resort will now be collected by Corsair's logistical team, taken to our Bangkok recycling center, where these plastics are now being recycled first into advanced bio-oil and then used by our petrochemical partners to be made into new plastic products. By doing this, we'll be able to reach more sustainability and properly recycle old plastic to become new plastic products. We're truly grateful and extremely happy about this collaboration, and I would like to thank you and for your team for all the great work that you have done and all the efforts that you are making towards cleaning the beautiful environment of Thailand from plastic waste. So thank you very much for that.
It's our pleasure.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you. So from Shangri-La, of course, we've had this relationship with Diversey, and getting a second partner in Corsair through Diversey obviously helps Shangri-La and our sustainability efforts quite a lot. We're very determined and dedicated to reduce our single-use plastics across the board in all our properties, and closing the loop with Corsair just makes the logical next step. So we're very happy to be in this partnership moving forward to see how both can combine our efforts for a better and sustainable future. So thanks a lot again.
Great. Thank you very much. Wonderful.